2 minutes. Okay, so as you are brainstorming, think about the pain points of people. Okay, what pain points are you trying to solve? Okay, all right. Okay, time's up. Shh. Time's up, time's up. Now, shh. If you do not worry, you will have time to refine your idea later. I just want just an idea, what you've come up with. Okay, that's all. All right? So it doesn't have to be, okay? And guess what? As you hear people, you can change your mind. All right? All right. So which group gonna come up and share first? Which group? You wanna guys go first? All right, let's go. Come on. Come together, all four of you. Go up. Okay. Not 30 seconds, yeah? That's all you have. Just share your idea. Half a minute. Yeah, that's it. Okay, yes, the mic. We want you up on the stage under the spotlight, yeah? Yes. Okay. Okay, all right. First group. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you very much. We are volunteering ourselves to be the number one, even it's not really perfect, but never mind, to make everybody happy, and also our coach. So my name is Edrida.
My name is Harry.
And my name is Farhan.
And my name is Wilu.
And my name is Edrida. You can call me Ed. So we are discussed with many topics. All of
Let's
us
listen.
talk about education and then health, and we're trying to make it more deep. So we go to application for health. So this is like app to how to say it? To know to encourage your health conditions, and then you can do your app in mobile phone and everything, and also health tracking, checking your body and then checking your heartbeat or everything. So we make the names Strong Health, and then these apps also have two divide, how to say it? Two part, yeah, two categories with some features, physical health and also mental health. Why it's so? Because two of them complete each other. Sometimes we look like health, we look like okay, but actually in our mental, if something happens, and you can see in many research now, many suicide comings and many depressions after the COVID pandemics. Many of us not okay, but it will be help us in ourselves, individual, for our family, society, and also for our nation, yeah. And for some of the model up to this app, we also using some of feature for language, yeah, using Indonesia or English or some of another language to make everybody feel friendly with this device. Hopefully it come true. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Thank you. All right. So, okay, great idea. I mean, great initial idea. My question would be, what, 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 what is it that you are trying to find solution to that the current apps in Indonesia are not providing, right? Because we know got Hello Dog, got a lot of those similar apps. So, what is it that they are not providing or doing that you are trying to solve? Okay, so that's the thing I will encourage you to think deeper. All right, great idea, mind and body, but what solution are you bringing that is different? Okay, all right, can we give them a hand? Yay! All right,
Thank you.
all right, next group.